So if you are looking to up your game for this 2025 ACT, I have some graphing calculator programs that I have worked with, tweaked, downloaded, like all the things to pretty much boil down exactly what students need to do better on this enhanced ACT. My name is Rebecca Beard and I own a test prep company. At this point of the filming, I've actually taken the enhanced ACT twice, and I have deeply studied all the practice tests at this point that have been released. So these graphing calculator programs are going to be reflecting questions that are similar to the ACT. So please note, I am not going to be solving with these programs live, actual released or ACT questions from the prep book. So these are going to be ACT-like questions, but these are really, really helpful. And if you are interested in downloading these programs, I've got the link below and would love to hear if this is something that is helping you and even how we can best improve it for the long term. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Would love to get your feedback below, and if you think there is any details and programs that we should add on that are falling within the ACT guidelines. I look forward to hearing from you.